Hello friends, I'm Amitesh at GetSetSQL. In this tutorial, you will learn how to use update statement to change the existing record with new values in a table. So stay tuned and let's start. Update statement is used to modify the existing data in the table. So let's say if we have a certain column which we want to update with the newer value, then we use update statement. The syntax for update statement is very simple. To update a value in a table, first use a update keyword, then table name, then the set keyword, and then after that we can provide the column name with the newer value. If we want to update multiple columns, then by putting commas we can put any number of columns in that table to update, and then after this put a where condition. Where condition is actually optional, and if you do not mention the where condition in update statement, then eventually the update statement will update all the values in those columns. So be careful when you are updating records in a table and notice where clause. Where clause specify which record we want to update in the table. In a production, if by mistake we forgot to mention the update statement, then it could be a disastrous scenario where we'd be accidentally updating all the values instead of any specific one. Now let's see the example. For update example, I have a sample database employee. This is a simple table with 6 columns only: employee name, department, hire date, marital status, gender, and base rate. Now for an example, I want to update the hire date with the current date. So what will be the statement? Update, then table name, then set keyword, and after this a column name. So my column is hire date equals to new value. In this case I want to update it with the current date. Now as I have already explained that where clause is optional statement here. So if we do not provide where clause, then it will update all values in hire date column of employee table. So first let's see it without running a where clause. You can see all 296 rows affected. Now let's see how table looks like. So you can see all hire date value has been updated with the current date, which is 10th of April 2020. So in a real-time scenario, if it happens by mistake, it could be very problematic because we will lose all hire dates and get updated with a single value. Now let me show you that how update statement work with where clause. Now this time I'm updating it with different value. Let's say 2019-01-01, 1st of January 2019, and this time I will provide a where clause. So update that rows only where department is equals to production. Currently we see that production has also a hiring date as current date, 10th April 2020. Here, in this row, even in all these rows we can see. So now I am going to update the hire date with 1st January 2019 where department is production. Execute this statement, and this time only 179 rows affect. Let me query the employee table again. You can see where the department is production, the hire date is updated with the 1st January 2019. Let me precise with the department production only. You can see all 179 rows where the department is equals to production and their hire date is 1st January 2019. So that value has been updated. So all those values has been updated. Now let's see how update statement work when we want to update more than one column at a same time. So command will be same, only we need to add another column with comma. Now let's say I want to update base rates with 200 and an updating date with 2018. In this statement we are updating two columns, hire date and base rate, where hire date will be updated with 1st January 2018 and base rate will be updated with flat 200 value where the department is production. Let's run this. So 179 rows updated. Let's see the table for department production only. And now you can see all the rows where department is equals to production have updated hire date 1st January 2018 and base rate as 200. So this is all about update statement. I hope this tutorial has added some value to your knowledge. If it is so, please like this video and subscribe this channel. Your appreciation encourages me a lot to make more interesting and learning tutorial for all of you. I'll come soon with the new learning and interesting tutorial. Till then, take care. Bye bye.